Hi there, and thank you for coming out and joining us on this video.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We've came out today to do a little bit of wild swimming, and we found this absolutely stunning spot that's absolutely perfect for it, isn't it?
Perfect.
We've been coming out for a few weeks here now and dipping our toes, so to speak, a few times. So what we'll do, we'll give you a little look around, and then we're going to get in the water for a bit of a paddle. Here we go, here's our little spot. We've got a beautiful looking woodland over the other side of the river. We've got a nice deep pool there. It's about shoulder deep and it's just perfect. Are you looking forward to getting in? Oh, then let's get on with it then. You'll be alright once you're in?
Yeah.
You think it'll be going to be cold? You think it's going to be cold? Yeah.
Are we freezing?
Right, we're going to get in now. Oh, that's fresh, isn't it? Oh. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
That's just warm and dry. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was an amazing experience.
Fantastic, wasn't it? The water was pretty chilly, embracing, just fantastic. Makes you feel alive, doesn't it?
Yeah, that was totally out of my comfort zone. It's overcoming deep water, so I've done it.
Yeah, you've got a bit of a fear, a phobia, haven't you, of deep open water?
Yeah, but I've overcome it, so
Yeah.
it's amazing.
You've done well, haven't you? I mean,
Yeah.
like, Claire's only been in there a few times now, but it's been great, hasn't it?
First time I couldn't even go in it.
Yeah, it was. I mean, it can't beat a little bit of skinny dipping, can
I
you?
know, yeah, you can.
Oh, but yeah, just embracing nature. Just perfect
Absolutely.
spot. Just the way that we're surrounded by the trees, listen to the wildlife, listen to the water run.
Yeah.
It's just fantastic. We absolutely love that, don't we?
Absolutely, amazing.
We're going to head back to the caravan now and get something to eat, aren't we?
Yeah.
And warm up a little bit
Warm up.
because your body just feels so tingly with the cold in the water.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Warming up now, so.
you still look a bit shivery.
I know.
Go and get a cup of tea and
Yeah.
come on through. We'd just like to say thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, please check out our other videos and subscribe. And as always,
Stay safe.
bye for now.
Bye for now.
And take care.